So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have got to you one of the best shopping website. I will give you the link of this website in my description box. Then you open the link here. You can check the name of this website. First you need to enter your email address, your login password, your confirm your password, your transaction password, telegram number, then register in this website. Guys, I have already registered in this site, so I will log in this site. Okay guys, let's click on login now. Here I have entered my email address and then password. Now I will click on login now. Guys, here I have clicked on login. Now I have successfully logged in. Here you can see the interface of this website. Here guys, you can select your own language. I have selected my English. You can select your country language. Guys, you can also download the app of this website from your Play Store or Apple Store. Guys, in this platform you need to deposit some money and you can daily withdraw good amount from this platform guys. So here guys, you can see the company profile, recharge, withdrawal, rules, options. You can download the app. So okay guys, let's check the company profile. Here I have clicked. I can check the, it's an American retail chain of department store. You can see it's an American company guys. Here you can see also the rules of this platform. So okay, let's come back and now I'm going to show you the rule. Here you just click on rule and here you can read the profit. You can get good profit from this platform. Profit promotional link here in the BIP one, different quotas of BIP, and you need to deposit some amount. If you deposit 20 USDT, you will withdraw 1.2 USDT every day guys. Here are the VIPs, VIP area in VIP 1, 2, VIP 3, 4, 5. So every VIP needs some amount to be unlocked, and every day you can withdraw good amount from this platform. Commission notification you can check here guys. Commission notification. Next guys, I am going to show the option team. In team you can build up your own team. Here you will get your invitation code and referral code and invitation link. You just forward this code and link to your friends, your family members. The more friend you add, the more commission you will get. You can also build up your team. Here are the size of team A, team B, team C guys. Next guys, here you can see your VIP area. In VIP area guys, there are the various VIPs. VIP level, VIP burn, VIP 2, VIP burn needs 36 USDT and daily it will give you 1.2 USDT. In the same way, these are the amount of VIPs and you need to deposit some amount and daily you can withdraw good amount from this platform guys. VIP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mall site, very beneficial, very good website for earning. So I just request you to invest in this platform. Now I am going to deposit some money here. Let's come back to home option. Here you are seeing the recharge option, right? So just click on recharge. Here you will get this address. Just copy this address. I have successfully copied the address and now it's my wallet. I have pasted the address and I will enter here 10 USDT. First I need to click on next and then I will select USDT instead of TRX. I will select USDT. So I have selected USDT. Now I will enter the amount of 10 USDT. So here guys, I have entered my amount of 10 USDT and I will deposit into the platform. So okay guys, I have successfully entered the amount. Now let's come back to our website, click on submit, and I have successfully deposited 10 USDT. Now I will receive some task. I will receive 5 tasks to complete it. Just click on VIP 1. Here I will show you the task. These are the list of tasks. These are 5 tasks. Each task will give you 0.24 USDT. And guys, here you can see the list of tasks you need to complete one by one. So just click on and click on submit. In the same way, you need to repeat 5 times and you will get 1.2 USDT earning of the day. I have successfully received the income of 1.2 USDT. Now I will withdraw the amount. Let's click on mine option. Here you can see 21.2 USDT is now balance, and now I can withdraw 1.2 USDT every day. Just click on withdrawal. Here you need to bind up your wallet address. Okay guys, let's click on submit. Here I will add my wallet address and then I will withdraw the amount into my wallet directly. Here I have entered my wallet and my password. Now I will click on submit and now I will successfully bind it up my wallet address. Guys, you can see I have successfully bind it up my wallet address. Now let's come back and now I will enter the amount, that is 1.2 USDT, and click on submit. So okay guys, I have successfully received the income. I need to wait for some time, for some seconds, and I will receive the income directly into my wallet. So okay guys, let's check in my wallet whether I have received the income or not. So guys, you can see I have successfully received. It's the withdrawal proof. You can see it's my wallet. I have successfully received 1.2 USDT directly into my wallet. Let's come back to the platform. So guys, I just suggest you to invest in this platform. The more you invest, the more you get income. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.